Look how easy this is. How cool was that last shot? That was captured with this anamorphic lens and my iPhone. Now, I've been meaning to make more content about how to film better videos with your phone, how to take better pictures with your phone, and I'm partnering with Reeflex for this video because they made some pretty awesome products to help you do just that. Also, they made this really cool system that allows you to attach the lenses and filters to your phone super easy. And if you are using your phone primarily to create content and you want to use lenses and filters on your phone, then your workflow has got to be quick and easy. All right, first let's show you some of the lenses that they offer, starting with my favorite, the Anamorphic Lens. It's a 1.33x anamorphic lens, and basically it's gonna change the aspect ratio of your image and also adds this really cool cinematic flair. So I'm gonna show you how to attach it. There are filter threads on the 1x camera and the 5x camera. I'll just attach the lens to the 1x camera right over here, and you just simply screw it in. And that's it. With the anamorphic lens, you do have to position it in the right way so that the flares go in a horizontal manner. Same thing if you're shooting vertical content, just rotate the lens so that the direction of the flare is where you want it to be. Now here's where it gets really cool, and this applies to all their lenses. Now if you want to add a filter, you can actually stack it on top of the lens because there's magnets. Check this out. So there's an assortment of different filter adapters that go with different lenses. This one's anamorphic, so I just gotta find the filter adapter that's for the anamorphic. Okay, here we go. So here is the filter adapter. I just simply attach it just like that, magnetically. And then they gave me 3 filters, a variable ND filter, a circular polarizer filter, and a black Misc filter. Let's just go with the CPL filter. You take your filter, and then stack it on top of the lens. Like, it's that easy. Love that. And that's why I love this system so much. It's so easy to use, and I've used plenty of smartphone lenses and filters in the past. This is by far the easiest. I mean, come on, magnets just make life easy, right? So that's the anamorphic lens, one of my favorites. Let's just go through some of the other lenses that they offer. They got this really cool wide angle lens that has this 110-degree field of view. And wide angle lenses are great to capture wide sweeping shots like landscapes or buildings or even wider selfies. Speaking of wide, they got this really cool fisheye lens, and this is a funky lens if you want to have that skateboarding kind of styled look. And this is more of like a fun lens to have, like these shots over here, like they're pretty cool, they're pretty fun. And so yeah, they got a pretty cool fisheye lens for that. And of course they've got a telephoto lens. This one's pretty cool. This is a 2x telephoto lens. And what's really awesome about this particular one is that if you don't want to have that weird iPhone flare that sometimes you capture on photos, well, not to worry, because they have a little hood, a cute little hood that you can attach over the lens. Like, that's so cute. They also have another telephoto lens, which I absolutely love, and it's this insane 240 millimeter telephoto lens. Like, it's this small, but it can shoot so far. So this is crazy. So I'm using the 240 millimeter telephoto lens, right? I'm trying to get a shot over there of that balcony on the building, and I got a really tight shot of it. It's pretty impressive. Also, you can use this lens as a macro lens because there are macro lens adapters that you can stack in front of the lens. Like, this is a 200 millimeter macro lens adapter that you can attach on the telephoto lens, and that allows you to capture macro shots a bit further away. Because sometimes with macro shots, you got to get real close to the actual subject. Well, if you can't get that close, you want to shoot a little bit far away, this will help you do that. So this is a 200 millimeter macro lens. They also got a 300 millimeter macro lens. In my experience shooting macro shots, oh my gosh, it's so close. Oh, I thought it was a B, it's not. I'm not a big macro photography kind of guy, especially on a phone. Like when I captured these shots, it was all handheld. I was shaky, the flower was shaky. It wasn't a very nice experience for me. I can't do it. And so if I were to do this again, I'd probably do it in a, I guess, studio setting where I put my phone on a tripod, but still captured some shots. It's just that I'm not a macro photography kind of guy. Speaking of macro lenses, there are two other macro lenses that Reeflex sent over. This one is a 10x macro lens, and this is a long-range macro lens, basically serving the same purpose as adding the macro lens adapter to the 240mm telephoto lens, taking macro shots from far away. But by far, my favorite lens is the anamorphic lens. I mean, anamorphic photos and videos on your phone, so cool. And what's really cool is this carrying case where you can house all your lenses and filters. Like if you are strictly a smartphone creator, like you film videos and photos with your phone, like you gotta get this carrying case to house everything. So those are the lenses, these are the filters, and the filters, they have a 67mm filter thread, so I can actually use these filters on my actual lenses. That's kind of a win-win for me. But those are the lenses and filters, and that is the system on how to attach these lenses and filters onto the phone case. Oh, speaking of which, we haven't gone over this. This is the foundation of everything. I mean, look at it. This is such a cool phone case. I mean, I love the look of it. I love the design, and I love how grippy the texture is. Like, it doesn't feel like the phone is gonna slip out of my hands. And over here where the camera section is, that is where you attach the lenses and filters. Also, you don't have to use these lenses if you don't want to. Like, if you just wanna grab their filters, you totally can. Just grab the right filter adapter. Where is it? Ah, here it is. Attach it to either the 1x camera or the 5x camera. Of course, we're gonna use the 1x camera. And then you can slap on whatever filter you want. We'll just put the V&D filter, and look at that. Boom. Easy, super easy, and that's why I love this system. It's super easy to use. Also, the quality of these lenses and filters are pretty amazing as well. And based on what I've shot, I'll definitely be shooting more on my phone more often. And if you want to check it out for yourself, then the link will be down in the video description down below. But yeah, these are great lenses and filters, and I will be definitely taking more photos and filming more videos on my phone. Magnets make the world go round.